Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's start with Nasdaq, and wow, look at this long wick here to the downside, and then we had a pullback. So right now we are above 15,544, which is crucial support area for me. It had, even though we have this week, the body is above there, so this is a strong support for me. And right now I think we are on our way up to the next area. Let me just put it here. Yeah, so this is actually 15,706. I do think we are going there. Once we pass it, then the next price target for me is actually, let me make it a little bit better, 15,850. And then if we go above there, 15,992, actually 50-day EMA is my price target. 50-day EMA is like a magnet, so if we can turn around and start our way up, probably most likely we will come to the 16,000 levels. But on the daily, the 20-day EMA is coming down rapidly. That's not a good sign. So are we preparing for bearish moves? We will see. Let's go over to Sp500, and that's the daily chart. On the Sp500, we tried to break down below the 50-day EMA, came down all the way down to this support area and bounce back. So let me just put it there from now on and bounce back, and we are above the 50-day EMA. I guess we are on our way to the 20-day EMA. It's still bullish on the daily chart. Sp500 is bullish. So on the 20-day EMA is at actually at yeah, 4,698, almost 4,700. I think we are on our way there. Then we might have pullbacks. We might spend some time here between these two areas. 4,717 is of course an area of resistance for me. Once we go above there, then my price target is actually the previous stop. I think we will be on our way to 4,800. The market is very volatile. The way we trade it is small positions between these areas, act according to what we see and the direction. Okay, let's go over to Dow Jones. Dow Jones also broke down below the neckline, and so it came almost back to the neckline, and we are under the 20-day EMA, trying to get above it. So once we get above it, once we get above 36,000, then I think we will be on our way to previous stop. Until then, we might spend time here between these two areas. Let's go over to Germany. Daily chart on the German index, and it's holding strongly. We are above the neckline, my neckline. We had a wick to the downside, but we are above it. We touched the 50-day EMA, but we are above the 20-day EMA. Touched it again. We are above it. That's a bullish sign for me. We might be on our way back to the top. Japan, Nikkei. Let's look at the Japanese index. That's the daily chart on the Japanese index. Here we are between these two areas. We almost came down here. tried to rally up but couldn't, failed. Sooner or later, I think either we will come and to this area here, or come back to the 20-day EMA. I believe sooner or later we will come back to the 20-day EMA, which is right here. And then once we pass that, we can come to the 50-day EMA. Once we are above it, then we will probably get to this area of resistance. Oh yeah, maybe still have this possibility to come to this low level here. Let's go over to Russel and see what's happening there. That's the daily chart on Russel. And we came down to this area again. This is an area, strong area of support for me. We bounce back. So we are spending a lot of time here in this lower end of this area. But so far, buying these dips is what works. That's all for now. See you next time.